The amount of upar niche I do and back and forth from the studio and my house with heavy saman is what is making me thin. Now I know. So upar, can you see those 3 boxes? And in my balcony there are like around 15 boxes. These are all my PR and what I order, and मैं वही boxes use करने वाली हूँ for the giveaway. हाँ, can you see my purple rug? Oh my god, it's so soft. I can just like roll in this forever. But I need to get up and start filming the क्या बोलते हैं YouTube video, which is the Nykaa Pink Friday sale recommendations, and then I'm gonna take a break for at least 4 to 5 days because it's getting too much, so I need a break. Also, I spoke about this on my Instagram yesterday, and a lot of you thought that it's probably the MAC foundation ka reaction. No, it's not. It's the new scrub that I was trying from a brand, and I obviously told them no for the collaboration. I was like, bhai nahi hoga ye. I'm not gonna like show that product to you guys. That's how I've been. If I don't like something, I will not make a video about it. Like, I will not go out of my way to tell you guys about it. I know a lot of people make these, wait, let me just switch off the fan. I know a lot of people make these anti-haul videos, like, you know, products I regret buying and stuff. I feel it's just too negative. That's just my opinion. I mean, obviously it's a big trend that people film. Wow, look at my hair. Good news, that rug आ चुका है and पर्दों की order भी मैंने दे दी है. So Saturday, Sunday तक I should get my curtains. Wi-Fi connection भी almost हो जाएगा कल परसों तक. Then we are just left with the balcony, जो पूरी की पूरी भर चुकी है because of you guys, and I'm so excited to start the giveaway. I think I'm gonna start from 1st of December. Let me just show you the balcony की हालत. पूरे के पूरे boxes are for you guys. वहाँ पे भी सारे boxes are for you guys.
Later.
Okay, video is done, and that's how my room looks like. Totally messy as usual, but मुझे काफ़ी focus में है हम आज. Also, I love my eyeliner. By the way, this is by Cuffs and Lashes. It's too pigmented. ये मिल्टन का डब्बा है, इसमें मेरा खाना है एंड वो गर्म हो रहा है. इट्स लाइक योर पोर्टेबल ओवन. ओके, अंदर बिरयानी गर्म हो रही है, बट मुझे उससे याद आया दैट आई फील लाइक अ हॉस्टल गर्ल टोटली. लाइक से डब्बा लाना, खुद ही का खुद गर्म करना, बर्तन धोना एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट. आई नेवर स्टेड इन अ हॉस्टल, बट लाइक आई हैड गर्ल्स हु आर माई फ्रेंड्स हु आर स्टेइंग इन द हॉस्टल, एंड दे यूज्ड टू बी लाइक, मानसी बहुत गंदा होता है ये वो. सो आई वांट टू नो योर स्टोरीज, लाइक इफ यू गाइज हैव स्टेड इन अ हॉस्टल, और लाइक व्हाट आर योर funny stories and how does your hostel life feel like and all. I would love to know, and I'm not just saying it for the sake of it. Write your stories down which you know you want to share, and I would love to read them. Hi guys, वापस fan चालू है. I should switch off the fan probably. I will never get used to this. It's almost 3 o'clock or past 3. Let me just check. Oh, it's 3:30. And I just came here, and आज कुछ shoot नहीं है because I'm done for this month, and I am gonna take a break for around 4 to 5 days, as I said. I have clearly not showered because आज dance practice है. I mean, I did technically shower last night, so वैसे देखा जाए तो 24 hours में you're supposed to take a bath. Anyways, I have done my skincare and stuff, but now I have come because I have to just do some organization. Like, I have gotten these containers over here. There's a tree and all of that because kitchen ना काफ़ी cluttered लग रहा है. Can you guys see? That is looking damn cluttered. I have to talk to you guys about the giveaway. Let me just show you that yesterday my mom and I cleaned the balcony. And we kept everything nicely organized. Mummy, there was a honeybee. Okay, we have to pack the induction because it doesn't work apparently. I tried everything, my Jiju tried everything, but it's not working, so we have to pack it, take it to the store, and yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, so I've got these 2 containers and the lavender ones as well. I just have to check if it fits here. Okay, perfect, it fits. So अब इसमें डालूँ क्या? And now it looks like this. Hi guys, so it's, what is the date, Bhakti Didi?
30th November.
It's 30th November. Last month of this year is about to begin, and clearly I'm in my studio. And बहुत दिन से मैंने vlog नहीं किया था because मेरा बिल्कुल भी मन नहीं था. And Bhakti Didi and I have come to choreograph our dance. तो हम लोग देख देख के डांस कर रहे हैं. And I'm not gonna put the song in this video because you guys always guess the song. And last time भी साइली ने वीडियो देख लिया था and then she understands कि हम कौन से गाने करने वाले हैं. And then कुछ सरप्राइज नहीं बचता. She's a religious क्या watcher. Not a watcher, no, it's a wrong word, right? Wrong English. She basically religiously watches my videos, तो उसको पता चल जाता है सारे songs. So even if you understand कि मैं कौन सा डांस कर रही हूँ by looking at our steps, do not comment कि कौन सा गाना है because I want this to be a surprise for her. At least एक गाना तो बचे उसके लिए. And बहुत difficult है ये choreography. I wish I could tell you the name, but बता नहीं सकती. So let's go. Bhakti Didi, you wanna say hi? Also update, I've gotten my curtains. White यहाँ पे है and grey curtains are here. तो frame में ही नहीं है. चलेगा. ऐसा नहीं हो सकता bro. हाँ, और उधर चली जा.
नेबर के कर रहा हूँ मेरे मुंह का, लिप्स का.
कितना बेटर लग रहा है बट से मुझे.
पूरा रोटी का चमक.
मेरा बीमा चमक चलो.
Next day.
Hi guys, so it's the next day. Don't even get me started on how rough my day was. So I don't know मैंने कल कितना vlog किया when we were practicing, but I got hurt while practicing. थोड़ा हाथ लग गया दीदी का, and because I get my acrylic or gel overlay done on my natural nails, it hurt even more. Okay, and I'm about to show you something which will make you go or probably give you goosebumps, something of that sorts. Are you ready? Of my nail looks like, can you see that red spot? Yeah, that's my skin underneath. Oh yes, and that hurts like a bullet, you guys. Anyways, मानसी कुछ करामत ना करे. बहुत महीने से कुछ हुआ नहीं था. अगस्त में मैंने पैर तुड़वा दिया था, अभी हाथ तुड़वा दिया है. तो लाइफ में कुछ ड्रामा नहीं था, तो ये हो गया अभी. बट जोक्स असाइड, इट्स हर्टिंग अ लॉट एंड यू गाइज वुड अंडरस्टैंड द सिचुएशन. आई डोंट हैव टू एक्सप्लेन. यहाँ पे जो नर्व एंडिंग्स होते हैं वो काफ़ी डेलिकेट होते हैं एंड पेन्स अ लॉट. एंड प्लस इट्स माई राइट हैंड. I don't know how I'm gonna record stuff and how I'm gonna work because अभी मुझे notes लिखने थे for giveaway winners and for my fan pages and I couldn't write. Anyways, that was my update of new kand that I have done. And Bhakti Didi is coming right now. We are gonna do the practice again because you know what, life goes on. Speaking of which, I wanted to come here and talk to you guys about the giveaway. So I was gonna do Vlogmas before and Vlogmas May I was gonna do the giveaway, right, for 25 days, but I saw what happened with Mridul and I honestly did not like it, like how the followers just decreased. I mean, this is our attempt to give something back to our community, and just because you don't get it, you start unfollowing, and it just doesn't make sense for me in my head, because that day I was telling this to Bhakti Didi and she was telling me that it's a story time. If you don't want to listen to it, just skip, okay? So she was telling me that in her 12th standard, okay, Bhakti Didi is 7 years elder to me, in her 12th standard or something, she had joined computer classes or something, and unka YouTube channel tha tabhi, and they had told their students to, you know, like subscribe to their channel and stuff. Bhakti Didi has still not unsubscribed from their channel. Like, that's the kind of upbringing we have. मेरे घर पे, like, if someone has helped you or someone's video or someone has helped you in general, I don't unfollow or unsubscribe. For example, Zoella is someone I grew up watching, and she doesn't post videos anymore. She hardly posts anything. That doesn't mean I will unsubscribe her channel, but anyways, people do that because they don't win the giveaways and stuff, whatever. Since Vlogmas was cancelled, I did not want to delay this giveaway. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna keep giveaway weeks. So first week has already started from 30th of November. तो वो जो first week होगा उसमें 7 दिन back to back giveaway होगा, and then on my Instagram. Okay, this is exclusively for Instagram. Then I will take a break of 1 week in which I will announce the winners तभी के तभी and dispatch the products and stuff. तो आपको अगर पता चल गया कि आप जीत रहे हो नहीं जीत रहे हो, आप तभी unsubscribe कर लो, तभी unfollow कर लो. I'm not gonna stretch the giveaway for a month. And then I will again keep next week में giveaway, you know. So it's like on and off, basically alternate. एक दिन एक week giveaway, फिर winners, फिर giveaway, winners, फिर giveaway. So 3 week I'm gonna do that. So 21 giveaways would happen. Also, if you don't win, trust me, it's not the biggest failure of your life. I know that you guys tag us, DM us, story पे डालते हो, and I know that you guys do it genuinely and बुरा लगता है जब नहीं आप जीतते हो. I'll tell you a fun story. I think participated twice. I don't remember कि कौन से giveaway में था, but जब मैं YouTuber नहीं थी हाँ तब, and I did not win, but I have still not unsubscribed from that creator's channel. Okay, I still follow her, and just because I didn't win, I didn't send her nasty DMs or I didn't become bitter. You have to understand that these are the small things that life is trying to teach you. If you don't win, you have to learn something from it, you know. You don't have to feel bad, or you don't have to feel that you're unworthy of it. Like, people are messaging me sometimes saying that, you know, I never win, God doesn't like me, this and that. Trust me, this giveaway is the smallest failure and problem you would ever face. This is just something creators or I do to give something back to the community, even if it means कि मैं 21 लोगों को कुछ दे रही हूँ. I know मेरे 2 लाख सब्सक्राइबर्स हैं, मैं 2 लाख को नहीं दे पाऊंगी, but अगर मैं 20 लोगों को भी दे पाई, that is just something special for me and for those 20 people, and other people who have not won, who are truly Mao fam, would understand what I'm trying to say. So yeah, that's it.
Chopper on a nigga, turn him to a sprinter. Bitches on my dick, tell him give me 1 minute. Hey.